Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Physics for engineers topic is optics. Padayon lang kita. Di kita. A ray of light is incident on a plane surface separating two sheets of glass with refractive indices of 1.70 and 1.58. The angle of incidence is 62 degrees and the ray originates in the glass with n is equal to 1.70. Compute the angle of refraction. So drawing on anay natin para klaro. So you have two sheets of glass. Kaya hindi mo nakakatadong. Yan. Then you have another sheet of glass. This is the interface. Then we put the values. So an NHD, N is equal to 1.70. Kung didi aton ray incidence, this is 1.70. Didi N is equal to 1.58. The angle of incidence is 62 degrees. So let's draw first the angle of incidence. Para tadong. So this here angle, this here incident ray. Incident ray that is 62 degrees. Pag tinadong So this is 62 degrees. Okay. So actually dito na aton formula kita. Imo formula magdo-drawing kita sa dinhi when your NB is greater than your NA. Kaya di usually ang problema di is air tapos a particular transparent material. So pero kung diri nga ni sugad case, the law of reflection is still the same pero iya drawing diri ma-bent. Kay meaning mas malaksi man hiya didi. So diri ya ma-bent ti pakadi. Imbes mabalik ta diya. If this is your 62 degrees, so mas mali ko ito hiya. Sa amo lang pagkakaiba, mas mali ko ito hiya nga di. Go ito na lang. Yan. Mas mali ko ito hiya. Yan. So therefore, mas mahiluag iti mo angle. So meaning iti mo angle is mas mahiluag adi. So this would be alpha. Okay? So ang drawing like that magkakaiba. But again, your formula will still hold. Meaning you can expect that your alpha should be greater than your 62. Because again, mas malaksi hiya didi nga materialis because of your N which is 1.58. Meaning mas loose itiya molecules didi or doesn't really have to be molecules. It nakakaulang didi. Mas loose kaysa didi. Ito nag 1.70 ya. Iti mo refractive index. So, pag curve didi mas itaas. So didi so mabalik ta dito hiya. Okay? Because that's the only condition. So pwede mo lang substitute dayon 1.70 sine 62 is equal to 1.58 sine alpha. That is alpha. So you can expect that your alpha is greater than your 62. Amo lang ito't iya baga pagkakaiba. So you have your arc sine that is 1.70 sine 62 all over 1.58. Okay? And your alpha would be arc sine 1.70 times sine 62 all over 1.58. So ang drawing la kung di rin natutuman. Okay? Meaning mas curve ka. makurve ka tipa, your angle of refraction would be greater because your material 2 has smaller index of refraction. So that would be a 71.8 degrees. Diba? So masilugi 62. Okay? Sa amo lang ito dapat may iba. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.